What's going on, guys? It's Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to organize your projects in Premiere Pro. In this video, you'll learn about the importance of organization, the best bin organization strategy in the project panel, and an intro into the best time-saving tool for an editor, Proxies.
That's good.
Hey guys, so I can't reiterate this enough. Organization is so important when making videos. Things just go by so much faster. You know where everything is. It's easy to remember where things are. If you use markers, even better. You can just go inside of markers here, and then you can click on your certain footage. So which one? We put it on the intro. See? So when I even highlight intro, it says right here at this marker, it says good clip. Okay, so that's what the marker window does. This organization is so important. Like having B-roll and audio, and A-roll and everything like this, the perfect template for you to follow every time you make a new video is sequences, footage, GFX, and music. You can also have a folder for sounds, and all of that should work, because under GFX, that's where you'll have everything that's additional to the video that's visual. It's a graphic. Project panel organization is it's so key to success with making videos, especially making videos fast, because that's the ultimate goal. You want to be as creative as possible and make it as fast as possible. Okay, so now that we're talking about how to edit faster, before we add anything into our timeline and we actually start putting things together, I want to talk about proxies. A proxy is a file that is used in place of a raw media file. The reason why you would use one is, let's say you have 4K footage, or you have really heavy footage that's a really large file size and your computer can't really handle it well. You use a proxy so that Adobe Premiere Pro will be like, hey, thanks for creating this proxy. I no longer have to read the gigantic file that makes me lag and it's really hard to show you what you want to edit. And now you gave me this proxy, which is a tiny file size. It's in lower quality, but you can still tell what the video is, and we can edit a lot faster with it because it's such a small file. I hope that all makes sense. Proxies are an incredible tool, and we are going to use them moving forward, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hey guys, so this tutorial is from a full course on Adobe Premiere Pro. Go to ParEdits.com/Premiere Pro or click the link in the description down below.